Eat 1 cup daily to get the 10 proven health benefits. Quinoa is one of the world's most popular health foods. It is gluten-free, high in protein, and one of the few plant foods that contain sufficient amounts of all 9 essential amino acids. It is also high in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, potassium, iron, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin E, and various beneficial antioxidants. The nutrient content in 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains protein about 8 grams, fiber 5 grams, manganese 58%, magnesium 30%, phosphorus 28%, folate 19%, copper 18%, iron 15%, zinc 13, potassium 9, over 10% of the vitamin B, B2 and B6, and small amounts of calcium, B3 and vitamin E. So friends, let's get into our video and try to know how to prepare this quinoa salad. Ingredients you need to prepare this quinoa salad is 1 cup of boiled chickpeas, 1 cucumber chopped into pieces, small onion sliced into pieces, small amount of pepper powder, salt to taste, small tomato which is chopped into pieces, 1 cup of quinoa boiled, olive oil with added lemon juice and small amounts of ginger. Mix all these ingredients into a bowl. The tasty, healthy and nutritious quinoa salad is ready to eat. This salad contains large amounts of flavonoids including quercetin and Kaempferol. These are potent plant antioxidants with numerous health benefits. This salad is much higher in fiber than most of the grains. Most of the fiber is insoluble, but 1 cup of quinoa still contains 2.5 grams of insoluble fiber. This salad is gluten-free. Using it instead of typical gluten-free, ingredients can increase the antioxidant and nutrient value of your diet when you're avoiding gluten. This salad is high in protein compared to most of the plant foods. It also contains all the essential amino acids that you need, making it an excellent protein source for the vegetarians and vegans too. The glycemic index of quinoa is around 53, which is considered low. However, it's still relatively high in carbs. This salad is very high in minerals, but its phytic acid can partly prevent them from being absorbed. Soaking or sprouting degrades most of the phytic acid. In humans and rats, show that quinoa can improve metabolic health by reducing the blood sugar, insulin, and triglyceride levels. However, more research is needed to prove this statement. This salad appears to be very high in antioxidants. Sprouting increases their antioxidant levels even further. This salad is high in fiber, protein, and has a low glycemic index. These properties have all been linked to weight loss and for improved health. Quinoa is one of the most healthiest and nutritious foods on the planet. It may improve your blood sugar and cholesterol levels and even aid the weight loss. What's more, it's naturally gluten-free, delicious, versatile, and incredibly easy to prepare. So friends, why late? Get to know more recipes by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any doubts, please don't forget to comment in the section below.